a snack recently, and I was just going to open it and eat it, but I figured turn on the camera. Anyway, I came across Hi Chews, which is an Asian food, which originated in Japan. Some guy wanted to create edible gum because it's rude to spit food out of your mouth in Japan. And they come in three, come in three flavors: green apple, grape, and strawberry. We're going to try all three, or I'm going to try all three, and give you my opinion on it. So, we'll try strawberry first, since I love strawberries. The real strawberries are artificial flavor, and they are extremely hard to open. Anyway, they look like this. And as you can see, they kind of got a little pink in the middle. I don't know if that's the strawberry filling or what, but it's really good, but it's not gum. It doesn't. It's chewy, so I don't expect to be able to blow bubbles with it, but it's really chewy. Strawberry is really, really good. It's a little tough, and it is really chewy. It's sort of like gum. I don't know if I could swallow it or not. But actually, strawberry was really good. So before we try the green apple, cleanse my palate and mouth. Alright, it's green apple. Let's try it. Let's see what it tastes like. It tastes like sour apple flavor, but it's not as tart. It doesn't have that odd. You know it's sour, so it's got that sour taste, but not overpowering sour. So you're not gonna. It has to have sensitive taste buds. Now, it's great. I do not like the grape flavor in anything. I think it tastes like medicine. When I was a little kid, I had to take cold medicine. I always hated it. It was horrible because it always came in that grape flavor, and that was horrible. It traumatized me. So we're gonna try this grape flavor, which you never know, and that one came off easy. Okay, it already smells like that medicine. How does that grape taste? The other flavors, these two, green apple and strawberry, those hit you all of a sudden. The strawberry and green apple taste hit you as soon as you chew. But the grape sneaks up on you, or it comes on slowly. I don't like it. Oh. Well, it's not spit out worthy, but it's not. It's nothing I would call. It's nothing I would give 5 stars. Alright, I have to say that these two are my favorite. This is my favorite. Okay. Let's see how many they gave me. Because my favorite flavor, there's 1, 2, 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have about 9. Green apple. 1, let's see, 3, 4. Okay, so five green apples. And then grapes. 2. Oh, that was a close up of the bad skin. 2, 4, 6. Okay. So they pretty much in this pack gave you more strawberry, which I love because I love strawberry. But if you like Hi-Chew, if you want to taste something, if you want to try something very different, you can get these in any supermarket in the Asian food aisle. That's how I discovered them, because I like Pocky and I just happened to see them in the store. Next time I go to the store, I will try another snack. I will show you, because I'll show you my taste test of the strawberry Pocky, which is what I've seen. And I will see you guys later. Like and subscribe, and I knocked my water bottle over. Like and subscribe, and I will see you again. Bye.